welcome to Tuesdays with Morgan. I'm about to go inside a mall. I don't know what this is going to be like. It was dead last year at this time, and I can't imagine what it's going to be like during COVID. No, your fight is not with them. Yours is with your timing. Dream your dreams, but don't pretend. Be friends with what you are. Give your heart, then change your mind. You're allowed to do it, 'cause God knows it's been done to you. Somehow you got through it. Alive in the age of worry. Smile in the age of worry. Go wild in the age of worry. You sing, worry, why should I care? Well, you're dressed for the summer, you're ready to explore. But I'm sorry, babe, I can see you going overboard, and you're wanting more. Yes, you're wanting more. So how is the weather up in your head? Do you see how sad we are down here? Do you wanna regret it all? Do you regret it all?